7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So welcome back to Them Girls Cafe. I was really debating if I was going to be able to get this video up. So we're going to go through this real quick. I'm going to use one hand to touch the protein and one hand to touch all of my seasoning. So what we're going to need is let me grab my olive oil. So what you're going to do, first off, you're going to start off by putting some olive oil all over your chicken. And this is going to be lemon chicken. And like I said, I'm going to use one hand for my seasoning and one hand to touch the protein. Alright. So I like to turn the backs over and start with them. And just like rub that olive oil all over it. And you're going to just take it and put some seasoning salt in there. And whatever kind of herbs you like. A little garlic and onion powder. And then you're going to want to use this. Okay, so maybe I won't be able to do it. Give me a second, let me wash my hand real quick. I don't want to contaminate my spices. So we're going to go ahead and ground some coarse black pepper on the chicken. Some sea salt. Alright, so now that we've gotten that done, what we're going to do now is we're going to take a lemon. Whew. Your girl is a little hot, a little razzle dazzle, but that's okay. And we're going to squeeze some of that lemon juice onto that chicken. Alright. I should have grated it first, but that's okay. I'll just grate this one before I squeeze it. And you want to make sure you get that lemon zest on there. Because that's what's going to give it the flavor. And then we'll squeeze it. Got any left over, that's fine. So we are going to wash our hands again, but first what we're going to do is we're going to take some parsley and cilantro, some green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper and onion, and we're going to place that on the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and just mix these greens up, place that under there, some bell pepper, some onions, and then just turn it over. And we're going to do the same thing for this one. Whoop! Don't fall. And some onion. And then we're going to just lay it like so. So what I did is I split the back out of the chicken. And I'm going to lay them flat and tuck the wings behind. Under the bird. And I'm just making sure that olive oil is nice and rubbed on there. Alright, I'm going to wash my hands again. Alright. So now we're going to go back in with that salt. A little bit of coarse black pepper. So y'all, this is how I cook when I have company. I like my company to feel like, you know, really special when they come over. Little seasoning salt, little onion powder, little garlic powder. This is a really easy recipe. And then we're going to grind some fresh herbs on top of the chicken. So we have some fresh oregano. Some fresh parsley. Some ground parsley. Even though we have some in the pan, that's going to like steam and make the chicken really tasty. And some basil. Y'all, my eye is itching so bad right now. It's crazy, honey. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Woo. Get rid of that lemon. Alright, let's go ahead and we're going to zest this whole lemon on both of these pieces of chicken. And then we're going to squeeze it. I had a small zester, y'all, but it got dull on me, so this is what I'm working with now until I can get another one. Because a good one is kind of expensive. And you want to rotate because you don't want to get that white part on there. I'm going to zest 2 lemons for these 2 birds. 2 more. 1 more after this one. And then I'm going to squeeze all the juice in here. And add a little bit of water so that I can have a really nice stock for my mashed potatoes. Y'all, I got a cake cooling. I got bread in the oven. I got chicken. You know, I wish that I could like have some of my subscribers over. But you know, that's a little sketchy. I feel comfortable. I would feel comfortable with some of y'all coming over. I don't know. I'm not trying to be mean, but you know, I wouldn't mind cooking a big dinner for one of y'all. You know. Because I love y'all. And I am cutting it close. My guests may see me ending this video. And you want to get a lot of lemon zest on there because you want this chicken to scream lemon. And what I do at the end for my, whoop, Jesus. At the end, when it's done cooking, the countertop is clean, y'all. I just, you know, take the sauce out of the pan that is left from the lemon and reduce it and just make like a little something to go on the mashed potatoes so that they have the same flavor. Alright. So today I'm on my Martha Stewart type life. Don't judge me. I might have to rub that chicken around one more time. Sometimes I have to take my hand and go back and disperse the lemon, the seasoning after I squirt the lemon on there, but that's fine. Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. Squeeze some of that in the pan. I like to throw these pieces in the pan too because it really helps flavor the chicken. And it just looks real pretty. And what I did is I just took the backs off of the chicken back, cut the back out so it'll lay flat. That way it won't take as long to cook. About 45 minutes to an hour. Your chicken will be done. Put that one back in the pan, right? You know, and just lay them out all sexy, just like that. So that's how I get my lemon chicken. I'm going to put it in the oven. I'm not going to put any foil on it. I'm going to let it roast. And it will be perfect. So I'll see you guys back here when I get this out. Y'all, I am pushing them out today. I got like 5 more videos to do before I leave the seafreezer. So I'm going to try to push 3 out tomorrow. I am really trying. So I'm glad we had company tonight so I could do these videos so I wouldn't have all this extra food sitting around. So I'll see you guys back here in a second. Alright, love, so don't judge me. The lemon chicken is done. I had to grab my phone because my dinner guests are here. But I just wanted to come back and show y'all what the chicken looked like. And it looks absolutely delicious. So you guys, that is what the chicken look like. It's roasted. You can see all of the herbs, the spices, and everything. And that's what the lemon chicken look like. So I will come back once I fix my plate and show you guys what I cooked with the lemon chicken. But yeah, so today we did the lemon chicken video. And there it is. We have the cheese bread. You guys will see that video first. And then you have the cream cheese pound cake. And we're going to have some fried corn, some green beans with bacon, and mashed potatoes. So this video is going to end a little different than most videos, but I just wanted to tell you guys that I love y'all. Remember to treat people the way you want to be treated. Enjoy your day. Food is love. And I will give you guys a clip of the dinner plate at the end of this video. So I'll see you guys later.